Hello, my dear friends, Blue Heart. Welcome back to Learning Has No Limit. This is your friend Kavya, and today I am going to share something very powerful with you. It's a simple 10-minute daily habit. Yes, just 10 minutes a day. And trust me, if you follow this daily, it can completely change the way you speak English. Your speaking will become smoother, your words will come naturally, and your confidence will grow every single day. It sounds simple, I know. But simple doesn't mean weak. This method is easy, practical, and extremely effective. This is the same approach many learners use to move from I understand English, but I can't speak, to I speak English easily and naturally. So if you're ready, let's begin. First, let me tell you why just 10 minutes is enough. Most people think learning English means long classes, heavy grammar books, and hours of study. But the truth is very different. Your brain learns language through small, regular practice, not long and rare study sessions. Daily contact with English is the key. Even 10 minutes every day is more powerful than one long class per week. Why? Because your brain stays in English, it starts connecting words faster, remembering phrases easily, and building confidence naturally. And remember, 10 minutes a day for 1 month equals 300 minutes. That's 5 hours of real speaking practice. Now let's talk about the goal of this routine. Many learners focus only on knowing English. Grammar rules, vocabulary lists, exam scores. But fluency is not about knowing. Fluency is about doing. The goal of this 10-minute routine is simple: to make English feel natural. To make speaking automatic. To stop translating in your head. To start thinking in English. And the best part? You don't need a teacher. You don't need a classroom. You don't need expensive courses. You can do this at home, in the kitchen, on a walk, or even while traveling. Now let me show you how to use these 10 minutes. We'll divide them into 5 easy steps. You can follow all of them or adjust slightly. But one rule is very important: do it every single day. Step 1. Listening 2 minutes. Choose something simple in English. A short video, a podcast, or a small dialogue. You can even use Learning Has No Limit content. Choose something you understand at least 80%. Don't translate. Just listen to the rhythm, tone, and flow. Pro tip: use the same audio for 1 week. Repetition creates fluency faster than new content every day. Step 2. Speak out loud 2 minutes. Now speak. Yes, even if you're alone. Repeat the sentences you heard. Copy the pronunciation. Copy the speed. Copy the melody. It may feel strange at first, but speaking is a physical skill. Just like riding a bike. The more you move your mouth in English, the faster you improve. Pro tip: don't chase perfection. Fluency grows from repetition, not perfection. Step 3. Personalize 2 minutes. Now make English your own. Step 4. Free speaking 2 minutes. Now speak freely. No reading, no copying. Talk about your day. Describe what you see. Explain your plans for tomorrow. Speak continuously for 2 minutes. Don't stop. It's okay if it's slow. The goal is flow, not speed. With time, your sentences will sound more natural. Change the sentences to match your life. If the audio says, I usually wake up early, you can say, I usually wake up at 7, or I don't wake up early on weekends. This step turns listening into speaking power. This is how English sticks in your mind. Step 5. Reflect 2 minutes. Think about your practice. Ask yourself, which phrases felt easy? Which words were difficult? What mistakes did I notice? You don't need to write everything. Just reflect. This helps your brain organize learning and prepare for tomorrow. Now you might ask, Kavya, can 10 minutes really make me fluent? Yes, it can. Because repetition builds confidence. Consistency builds memory. Daily speaking builds fluency. And personalization builds connection. The secret is not what you do. The secret is how often you do it. Before we finish, let me tell you 3 common mistakes. Mistake 1. Skipping days. Solution: even 5 minutes is better than nothing. Mistake 2. Waiting for perfection. Solution: speak now. Improve later. Mistake 3. Boring practice. Solution: talk about things you love. Dreams, goals, hobbies. So my friends, now you know the truth. Fluency doesn't come from magic apps or big grammar books. It comes from 10 focused minutes every day. Listen, speak, personalize, free talk, reflect. Do it for 1 week, you'll feel the change. Do it for 1 month, others will notice. Do it for 6 months, and your English will transform completely. Remember, learning doesn't stop in a classroom. It happens in daily life, while walking, cooking, or brushing your teeth. So start today. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Thank you for watching Learning Has No Limit. Keep learning, keep practicing, and always believe in yourself. This is Kavya, signing off. Bye for now.